Welcome to our DDR5 Memory Showdown. Today, we're comparing two standout products, the crucial 16GB DDR5 RAM and the Corsair Vengeance RGB 32GB DDR5 RAM. We'll dive into their specifications, performance, and aesthetics to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a gamer or a professional, understanding the differences between these two modules is crucial for optimizing your system's performance. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the crucial 16GB DDR5 RAM operates at a speed of 4,800 MHz with a CAS latency of CL40, making it a reliable choice for standard desktop applications. However, the Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM takes the lead with a speed of 6,000 MHz and a tighter latency of CL36, providing a significant boost in performance for gaming and demanding applications. This difference in speed and latency can greatly affect overall system responsiveness and frame rates in high-performance scenarios. In terms of aesthetics, the crucial RAM features a standard design without any heat spreaders or RGB lighting, which may not appeal to users looking for a visually striking build. On the other hand, the Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM boasts a premium look with dynamic RGB lighting that can be customized through software, making it a perfect choice for gamers who want their setup to look as good as it performs. The vibrant lighting adds an extra layer of personalization to your system. Both RAM modules support the latest DDR5 technology, but they cater to different user needs. The crucial RAM is compatible with a wide range of systems, including both Intel and AMD platforms, making it a versatile choice for many users. In contrast, the Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM is optimized for Intel XMP 3.0, ensuring maximum performance on compatible Intel motherboards. This optimization may be a deciding factor for users with specific system requirements. In conclusion, the crucial 16GB DDR5 RAM is an excellent choice for budget-conscious users who prioritize reliability and compatibility. However, if you're looking for high performance and stunning aesthetics, the Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM is the clear winner. It offers superior speed, lower latency, and customizable RGB lighting that enhances your gaming experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.